America, what works like a Chevy truck?
Nothing.
What prowls and growls like a Chevy truck?
Nothing.
That's right.
Nothing works like a Chevy truck. Nothing works like a Chevy truck. Tough on the job, easy on the buck. Nothing works like a Chevy truck. So bring out the sun, bring on the fun.
Bring on the fun.
You've got the goods.
You got the goods.
Get out and run. Bring on the mud. Bring on the mud.
Bring on the muck.
Bring home the bacon in a Chevy truck.
You know, Chevy trucks have been working proud and playing rough for a good many years now. They've built up a real reputation. If you want a truck that works and plays as hard as you do, you want a Chevy.
Nothing works like a Chevy truck. Nothing works like a Chevy truck. Tough on the job, easy on the buck. Nothing works like a Chevy truck.
America, nothing works like a Chevy truck. Tough on the job, easy on the buck. Nothing works like a Chevy truck. So bring on the load, bring on the road. You got the goods, get up and go, ho, ho. Hey, more farmers bring home the bacon in Chevys than any other truck. Nothing works like a Chevy truck. Nothing works like a Chevy truck.
Nothing works like a Chevy truck. Nothing works like a Chevy truck. So bring out the sun, bring on the fun. You got the goods, get out and run. Bring on the mud, bring on the muck. Bring home the bacon in a Chevy truck.
When you need a truck that plays just as hard as it works, you need a Chevy.
Nothing works like a Chevy truck.
Nothing works like a Chevy truck. Nothing works like a Chevy truck. Tough on the job, easy on the buck. Nothing works like a Chevy truck. So bring out the sun, bring on the fun.
Bring on the fun.
You got the goods.
got the goods.
Get out and run.
If you want a truck that works and plays as hard as you do, you want a Chevy.
Nothing works like a Chevy truck. Nothing works like a Chevy truck.
Nothing works like a Chevy truck. Nothing works like a Chevy truck. So bring out the sun, bring on the fun. You got the goods, get out and run. Bring on the mud, bring on the muck. Bring home the bacon in a Chevy truck.
When you need a truck that plays just as hard as it works, you need a Chevy.
Nothing works like a Chevy